Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a very natural eyebrow tutorial, which is almost what I do for every makeup look, whether I'm wearing a full face of makeup or I'm just walking out with a fresh face. I personally prefer a very minimal makeup look. I don't like feeling too heavy on my skin. For my concealer, I use this flat angled brush. And then I use this Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. I'm not too sure what the shade is, but it's a dark brown. It's nice and angled. And then on the other side of it, because it's double-sided, is a spoolie. So I always like to start, this is a different spoolie though, but I always like to start by brushing my eyebrows up, or rather in the direction that I would want to kind of draw on my eyebrows. And here I like to take my time because this is kind of what guides the rest of the process. So I start a little far off, like just a tiny bit far off from where my eyebrows naturally start. And then I kind of just follow the shape of my brows. Personally, for me, I don't try to make my brows look a different shape. I personally love the shape of my eyebrows, and so I just follow that. And then using like the angled part of it, I then start to brush upwards, or in the direction of which my brows grow. So I kind of do this just filling up the little spaces, the little gaps that I have in my brows, which are not that many to be fair, but I guess just for like evenness and all that, I just do that to fill those spaces out. And you want to make sure that from the beginning and as you go towards the end, you are stroking up very lightly. And then after that, I go in with the Revolution spoolie and I blend out the line into my brows. So kind of pushing the product into my brows, but also using that to kind of lighten any harsh or dark areas of my brows. And then I also like to shape the top with the spoolie. Next, I go in with my LA concealer in the shade Fawn. And with my flat brush, I literally just dab a tiny bit of it on because I believe you do not need a lot of concealer at all to shape your brows. So with that, I start from where my brows begin, and again just kind of follow the line. So this is just to help your brows look a bit more defined, to help them stand out just a little bit more. And then from there, I just blend it out. If I'm wearing eyeshadow that day, then I will also like blend it all the way. I might have a bit more concealer and just blend that all the way into my eyelid as well, so that it creates a nice base for my eyeshadow. But I don't really wear eyeshadow anyway. So yeah, I just kind of blend this concealer out. And then I just make sure that there are no harsh lines and like, you know, harsh demarcating lines. I like it to kind of just look like a seamless flow. And then I like to use my finger to just blend the rest out. And then sometimes I go back again with the spoolie just to make sure that there's just no harshness, and if I feel it's a bit dark, then I blend out my brows more, basically. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other brow. This is the final look. This particular day I wasn't wearing any makeup. This was just my eyebrows, and this is just me showing you how I do my eyebrows. I really, like I said, like the very minimal look. I don't like it to be too heavy, and as you can see as well, my brows are not the same size at all. The one I was doing is a lot thinner than the other one, but I feel like it works because that's how my brows naturally look anyway. But yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one.